Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, looking at the Australian dollar, the bearishness still maintains as the market looks towards 75.70 as today draws closer to this level. Beneath 75.70 would trigger further weakness towards an objective of 75.0515 and lower eventually to 74 cents, which was seen around July this year or even back in June. Any advances toward the upside now should find a cap at 76.60.75. In light of the fourth bearish outside range day, does give further emphasis to the downside, and at this stage any advances should, as I say, fail towards that 76.60 level. The euro presses on lower as the dollar index strengthens to a 8-month high. The market is now looking towards an objective of 107.40.70. Intraday though, the resistance comes in at 109.35 with 109.70.75 capping into the coming week. Dollar yen still maintaining to hold its bullish bias still holding its bullish bias for a move up towards 104. In light of the current pattern, on a broader scale, we should still keep a note that the fact that the market does break above 104.30, then this would shift the technical pattern back to a bullish bias and expect to see a rally on towards 105.10 to 105.85.95. However, in light of the current support at 102.70, if breached, would negate the upside and instead reopen an objective of 101.0515. But in light of the consolidation that we're seeing here above this 102.70 level, I still feel that the market is threatened towards the upside, and especially with the US dollar strength holding at this stage. Not much to report on sterling really, still holding to a very much conservative sideways pattern in a band at the moment of 121.70 to 122.60. Although we should not discount fresh advances towards the highs of 123.10.15 with a cap of 123.75.95, I still feel the market is poised to go lower and probably challenge the lows around that 120.20 area and lower towards 118 as an objective and reassess from there. My view recently was bullish on gold after breaking above that 12.68 level, and as you can see the dailies are still holding quite a firm stance, but nevertheless I'm a bit cautious of the view that the market may now retreat away from that 12.76.82 resistance and look down towards a 12.60 support. A break there opens the pathway to 12.40 and maybe lower down towards 1,200 and reassess from there. So overall, I'm not comfortably bullish, but a break of 12.60 would negate the upside and see further weakness. And to wrap up with oil, 52.20 still caps, and we're still looking towards that 49.40 support. A sustained break beneath the 49.40 would actually see further weakness down towards the $46 a barrel region. However, do note that if we do get a break above that 52.20, then further bullish threat will be seen towards an objective around about $54 to $54.50 a barrel. Well, that concludes my intraday webinar. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great day ahead.